going on, guys? Welcome to the garage. Today we are on site looking for more Honda K-swap parts, mainly a EG Civic front subframe, because I guess that's better than an EK subframe.
Yeah, it sits better in the engine bay. Hasport makes amazing mounts for it. That's what they recommend.
Nice.
Yep.
And what else do we need from that? Pretty much the whole front end
Yeah,
off an EG,
we need a EG subframe, EG steering rack. Preferably, we're going to try to do the power steering, and a little steering knuckle for it as well.
Cool. And I'm looking for possibly a BMW ZF Trans, if we can find one, for reasons. So let's go.
Is this the road that had the EG on it?
I don't know. BMW. Not auto, or not manual.
Yeah, I thought of that too. Red, look how cute this thing is. Can we just carry it and take it home?
No.
I swear I'll take care of it.
Yeah, it's actually 4 cylinders.
I thought it was 3. No?
Yeah, I would have thought 2.
Huh.
Cord.
Here's another case here.
Oh, this is where the cord that I got the stuff off of was.
Is it really?
But I think it was down there.
Well, that's kind of cool.
We still need the flywheel bolts?
Probably. I was just gonna get new ARP ones.
Or that. And I hate how all the BMWs are like listed as automatic and manual.
Oh, because the Triptronic.
Bruh, no, that is not, no.
Yeah. Yeah, no. Hey, it really is a busy day today. I kind of see what Red means by like summer is better.
Yeah.
It really looks like a Mazda 3.
Hey, Dorito.
You know, an RX-8 Trans would work as well.
Would it?
Yeah. You do have adapters for it.
For
And there's a lot of RX-8 6-speed trans for 1J.
It's missing the shifter, but I think it's manual.
Honestly, you might be able to get Aaron's old one out of his RX-8. Because Aaron has an RX-8, he has a new transmission that he's going to put in there anyways.
Like Aaron?
Yeah, our Aaron. He has a, you know, like every other RX-8 owner, he has a broken RX-8. So
Yeah,
you could give it a shot.
Yeah, worth asking. Wait, if it's broken, so?
Well, the engine's blown, but the trans is fine.
Mm.
But he has another trans that's like a hybrid RX-7, RX-8 trans that's going to go in.
How much power can those take, though?
I don't know, I'm looking at it right now.
So it's like in the ZF, because supposedly it's like a CD09 equivalent.
Yes, and it's also smaller too, you don't need to bang it, I guess.
That's the main reason, because I don't want to chop up the S14.
Yeah, they have an adapter kit for it, for JZ. No way,
A Datsun
Stanza.
Nissan Stanza. It's Datsun and Nissan.
It's Nissan. It's a stick too.
And the 300ZX.
No way. Is that a Z31
I think so.
or 280?
No, it's 300. It's got the V6. These would make really cool drift cars too.
Yeah.
It's already got the factory V mount.
Does it really? Oh my god, it does. I didn't know that.
They're really cool. Auto. There's this lady like in our neighborhood that I'd walk to school, and on the way there I'd always see that their 300ZX there was a white one. I was always like, oh, that's so cool.
Is that a 350Z?
Nope.
No, it's Celica. Same thing. I'm just kidding.
EK.
Where's the? Oh.
Hey, EF.
There's an EF.
Why do EF's core supports always look like they've been chewed on?
Because they have.
They always look like this.
As a Honda owner, I like to chew on my core support.
It's got a header.
Yeah.
E36?
Sure.
Onbro 36?
Third. Me?
And it's a manual.
Is it it? Want to pop it?
I don't know how.
I got it. Ooh, I think it's here.
But what kind is it? Supposedly they came with either a Getrag or the ZF. And what's ironic to me is that the Getrag and the BMWs is like garbage, like not even worth 20 bucks.
Yeah.
But yet the ZF is worth at least a couple hundred, I guess. But the Getrags and like Supras and R34s are like $10,000 transmissions.
Yep.
I'm like, what the hell, Getrag? You can get it right the first time?
Nope.
Need a floor mat. Wait, what year is this? 93? Yeah, that's probably not going to be the good one.
No. I thought you wanted an E46 trans.
They said they come in some E36s. I don't know.
We can look it up real quick.
Just gonna see if I can see the case from down here.
Yeah, 5-speed manual transmission. It was on a 92, well, it's on the M3.
Pro tip, if you don't want to lay on the dirt, grab a trunk mat from another car.
95 to 99, 328i. What year is this one?
93, supposedly?
92 to 99 E36 M3. Is it? I don't think it's an M though. Actually,
I think it says Getrag on it. Yeah, it's a Getrag.
is it?
Yeah. Civic.
Here's a Civic.
It's got literally everything still.
Yeah, it does. Oh, it's a manual too. I mean, it's not like it matters to us, but.
It's got the crappy lug nuts that I didn't bring the key for.
Can we just break it?
Not really. I was gonna forget something.
Yeah. I'm gonna go look at those BMWs real quick. That's a 5 Series. Right. So, red's gonna go on or off. I here found a Del Sol, which is conveniently the same, I don't know, frame generation platform as a EG. Conveniently, they have the same subframe, same mostly everything, and it has power steering and it works. So we're gonna start taking stuff off and trying to get to the subframe to make it ours. Oh man.
Oh, fancy.
Right. I was tired of losing or trying to find bolts and stuff the hard way. I have no idea where to start. Red left me with no instructions and I'm just screwed. I just realized I was turning the wrong way.
Joey.
Shut up. Sorry.
Doing stuff.
And things. So we have the driver's side suspension components out. Red has currently loosened the rear motor mount, taken out both axles out of the transmission. I am now currently working on the passenger side and getting the crap out just so we can get to the subframe.
3 hours later.
So I think we're just taking off stuff that we don't need so we don't get charged for it. We're gonna get rid of stuff like unnecessary lines, the motor mount, so the yard doesn't nickel and dime us.
So we're getting the Getrag transmission out of this to use on a later project. Wondering why they got it like 99% of the way off and just left it here.
Well, it could be the same reason about you with that Accord transmission.
The shifter is broken.
Oh shit.
And it's not part of the transmission, at least.
We'll hold that way. Yay.
This is the exact same scenario that happened to me, and it happened to this guy too.
Really?
5 hours later.
Yo!
Yay.
Man.
Throw it.
Ow!
Right? Well, I did my job for the day.
All right, let's go home.
Just wanted to flex to take a bolt out. All right, so today at the junkyard, we were able to find a EG subframe, a EG power steering, as well as a power steering knuckle, and all the subframe bolts. And we were also able to find a E46 trans. Don't know if it's a 5 or 6 speed. It's not a ZF, believe it's a Getrag.
Yeah.
So stay tuned while we price everything out. I still think the outro should be Red's butt swinging left to right. Perfect.